make your mouth.
What's going on today, everybody? I'm back with another taste review of WATZ, and these from let me see, from the making of Takis. These are the lime tornadoes, cheese shocking. I don't want to touch that. You be knocking yourself. And the Fuego. Artificial flavors. Well, we're going to try this one here. So, I hope everybody's having a good day. And I'm back. But I'm still not feeling too good still. Oh. I'm going to let y'all see this here. Alright, let's see what these things taste like. Oh, wow. Okay. Alright. I like these. The cheese comes off real good. Oh, yeah. That's what they look like. A little puff. Woo-wee. Got a little kick to it. Alright. Next ones is cheese. Cheese shock. Well, they're alright. I don't see what they're not like the Fuegos though, but they still good though. Save these for last because I love lime. Let's see what these taste like here. It's only 3 flavors. Don't got no smell to it. See what these things are. Okay. They give you that little lime. But them Fuegos, them bad boys got a kick to them. But they are so good. Take a bite of that. Oh yeah. I'd say these the first ones right here. From out of 10, I give these a 8. Nah, I make this a 10. These definitely a 10. These here, I give these a 7. And these here, well, I give these a 4. Yeah. So 10, 7, and 4. If you never had these, give these bad boys a try. They're not bad. They're really good. And see you back again with another taste test review. I'm out of here, guys. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And it's a beautiful day outside. God bless.